Minta perlakuan waras pi ke kubur. Sim ke Pakistan ni ke action ke bahaya kaput. Yap sipungut. Yap sipungut dah kejeng bom artileri ke Pakistan hapun sektor jeng ke India. Ki kena akhir ta sipu bat kat arsnem. Ki deh hapeneng ki bayap ka atak steng senya. Report ke NDTV. Ki kerteng jong ki bayap kentup. Umohat adir Rubikor Amrit Singh. Bat Uranjit Singh. Ki kena batip kerteng ku Muzin bat ke Zoya Khan. Ki yap ha kejeng siat artileri ke Pakistan. Omar Abdullah Chief Minister jong ke Jammu dan Kashmir. Unsale jengo igi distrik Kapur nakam ta jing keren pan ai kala jing dai ki pajba.
Look, after the inhuman and barbaric murder of 26 innocent civilians in Pahalgam, it was expected that India would use its right to respond in an appropriate and proportional way. I think Government of India, the Indian Defence Forces have gone out of their way to ensure that no military and civilian targets were hit in Pakistan. They have only hit terror bases and launch pads. Unfortunately, the response has been anything but proportionate. Pakistan, as reports are coming in, has gone out of its way to target civilian populations. So I've just had a video conference with all the district collectors along the border and the line of control. I've taken stock of the situation and we're dealing with the situation as it develops.
Sedang ke Pakistan bersiap klaim sange hasil yang line of control bat ha international border. Ka Indian Army kala penting na bakan sejubab da penting sya kan jingle jong Pakistan. Kani ke jingja kabut hadien ki jing ternam ding ke India. Ha ki jakaleno badan sepo ke jaka Pakistan. De ki jakarli jong ka kunhuleno Jash Muhammad bat jong ka kunhuleno Lashkar Taiba. Ki basya target ha Pakistan bat Pakistan occupy Kashmir. Launch ke India ki strike ha ka por minute ha po ke joint military Operation Sindoor. Kini ki strike ki budak bakadai ke attack ningkong jong lightly ki force Army, Navy, Air Force ya ke Pakistan nadu ketemakan kena banyak way. Ha ke India dah ke advance ammunition kan thup scalp cruise missile. Panung kamru iki hammer smart bomb bat ki loitering munition ban karbet iki kamri ki leno sipo kendau. Ha iki drone bone missile bat track bat penjot iki target bari. Publish board story telah dan network daily post.